Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Tayiba Awais. In this video, we learn the next 4 English alphabets, their sounds and the words that come from them. First of all, let's take a short review of previous lesson. In previous lesson, we learned the sound of M, N, N, O, P, P. Which letter comes after P, P? Q. Q comes after P, P. This is capital Q. This is capital Q. This is capital Q. This is small q. This is small q. This is small q. And the Q sound is qua. Q, qua. Q, qua. Q, qua. Qaid-e-Azam. Q, qua. Qaid-e-Azam. Q, qua. Qaid-e-Azam. Q, qua. Queen. Q, qua. Queen. Q, qua. Queen. Q, qua. Quill. Q, qua. Quill. Q, qua. Quill. Q, qua. Quail. Q, qua. Quail. Q, qua. Quail. Tell me, where is capital Q? This one. Tell me, where is small q? This one. Tell me, where is Qaid-e-Azam? Qaid-e-Azam. Tell me, where is Queen? Queen. Tell me, where is Quail? Quail. Tell me, where is Quill? Quill. Good. Which letter comes after Q? Qua. R comes after Q. Qua. This is capital R. This is capital R. This is capital R. This is small r. This is small r. This is small r. And the R sound is R. R, R. R, R. R, R. Rain. R, R. Rain. R, R. Rain. R, R. Rat. R, R. Rat. R, R. Rat. R, R. Ring. R, R. Ring. R, R. Ring. R, R. Rabbit. R, R. Rabbit. R, R, rabbit. Tell me, where is capital R? This one. Tell me, where is small r? This one. Tell me, where is rain? This one. Tell me, where is rat? Rat. Tell me, where is ring? Ring. Tell me, where is rabbit? Rabbit. Good. Which letter comes after R? R. S comes after R. R. This is capital S. This is capital S. This is capital S. This is small s. This is small s. This is small s. And the S sound is the snake sound, like S, 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 spaceship, S, spaceship, S, spaceship, S, soap, S, soap, S, soap, S, sheep, S, sheep, S, sheep, S, stove, S, stove, S, stove. Tell me, where is capital S? This one. Tell me, where is small s? Small s. Tell me, where is sheep? Sheep. Tell me, where is spaceship? Spaceship. Tell me, where is soap? Soap. Tell me, where is stove? Stove. Well done. Which letter comes after S? T. T comes after S. This is capital T. This is capital T. This is capital T. This is small t. This is small t. This is small t. And the T sound is T, 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 table, T, T, table, T, T, table, T, T, table lamp, T, T, table lamp, T, T, table lamp, T, T, toy, T, T, toy, T, T, toy, T, T, top, T, T, top, T, T, top. Tell me, where is capital T? This one. Tell me, where is small t? T. Tell me, where is table? Table. Tell me, where is table lamp? This one. Tell me, where is toy? This one. Tell me, where is top? This one. Well done. So guys, today's lesson is over. For more easy educational learning videos for your kids, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.